So what exactly is Elementor? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys and really showing you guys what it is, how much is it, where you can find it, and why I use it to build my clients' websites as a web designer. Hi, my name is Curtis Marshall, and like I said, I'm a web designer that's passionate about helping and teaching other people how to use Elementor when it comes to building websites with good user experience, SEO, as well as increasing revenue from that website. If you're new to my channel, maybe consider hitting that red subscribe button. So what is Elementor? Well, Elementor is a popular WordPress drag and drop page builder plugin that a lot of P's in there, geez, that has over 10 million websites built using this plugin. That is a whole lot of websites. 10 million, folks, that's a lot. This is a plugin, I should say, that helps the user build a well-designed and easy to use website, all without knowing any coding knowledge at all. This is a simple drag and drop widgets. That's pretty much what Elementor is, as you can see. So why do I use Elementor, the plugin? And I just gotta say, I love it because it's all visual. I'm a visual person, and it also helps my time management when it comes to me working with clients, and I can bring in more clients because I can do things faster. Because with Elementor, you can pretty much build, and what I usually use it for, if I could speak, is to just build the nuts and bolts of the website. The bare bones. This is everything laid out. This is all the elements laid out for. And then once that's in there, I can go back later, because I do have my coding knowledge background. I can go in and put in my own custom code later on, using it through Elementor, of course, to actually customize all those different widgets to make them more unique specifically to what the client's needs are and what they want for their website. So Elementor helps speed up the process, plus it's all visual, and it just, as a person that likes to see things laid out for them kind of thing, it's perfect for me. It's perfect for my web designing, and I think it's a great tool for any web designer to use in their toolbox. All right, so you're probably saying, Curtis, where do I find it? How much is it? And to touch on how much it is, so there's two versions. There's a free version and a pro version. I use the pro version for my work. As you can see, I'm showing you here is just the Elementor website, just their pricing chart at the time of this recording of this video here. So these are just the different price points you're going to get and what you get for those price points. And it goes in greater detail as well about their page builder and what you get with the paid version, the pro version of Elementor. Now you can get the free version of the Elementor plugin, and it's simple. All you got to do is just go to the WordPress plugin directory there on your WordPress website and just search up Elementor. So just that easy, and you can download the free version of Elementor. It's still super powerful, that the free version of it. I actually have a video coming up. I'll have it down in the description of this video, as well as in the cards here, of just how to install the Elementor plugin for free. I will touch on the pro version a little bit down the line, but if you haven't heard of Elementor, this was a great video, so thanks for watching. Congratulations, now you know a little bit more knowledge today of what Elementor is, hopefully from this video. And now if you want to get started, I highly recommend at least downloading that free version. Like I said, I have a video for that coming out if it's not already in the cards, where you can it's a quick 2-minute tutorial of how to download it for free on your WordPress website. Play around with it, learn from it. It's super easy to use, and the free version, like I said, is super powerful. The pro version is just even more incredibly powerful. But if you are interested in that pro version, I do want to let you guys know I am an affiliate with Elementor. So I do have my own affiliate link with Elementor down in the description of this video. So if you do feel like you want to purchase, go right into purchasing the pro version. If you do it from that link, you actually help me out when it comes to creating videos like this and content for you guys, because if you purchase the subscription through that link, I actually will get a cut of it. No extra cost for yourself. It's going to be the same price whether you go through that link or not. But if you go through that link, you do help me out, because an Elementor kind of chip me in a few bucks there for getting you guys to sign up for their services. But like I said, the free version, just as powerful. Well, maybe not as powerful as the pro version, but still pretty powerful. The pro version is just another level if you want to go more in depth with it, and just a lot more widgets come with that pro version. But either way, guys, that was my video for today. I want to let you know, or just I have a question for you guys, I should say. Do you guys use page builders? And if so, let me know which ones down in the comment section below and why you use a page builder. But besides that, guys, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up, that like button. Shows me like content just like this. Of course, you can also, if you want to see more great content like this, definitely hit that red subscribe button and that bell notification so you can get notified each and every week when I drop a brand new video just like this one. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll see you soon.